Smartcards are changing the way we buy our tickets when travelling with Transport for Wales. They can help to make your journey faster, they are contactless, and they're tougher and more durable than standard paper tickets. The card itself is free, and with a variety of purchasing options, it's now even easier to buy before you board. You can get your own personalised smart card by ordering online in just a few minutes. Once you've got your card, you can buy tickets from our website or app and select to load them onto your smart card. Currently, you can purchase weekly, monthly and annual season tickets to your smart card up to 30 days in advance, unlike paper tickets. When you've purchased your tickets, you can choose to load them onto your smart card at your local, brand new or existing bilingual ticket vending machine or new platform validators at Transport for Wales stations, which we are investing in as part of our station improvement vision. You can also collect remotely by loading your smart card via your Android or iOS device. For more information on Smartcards and to get yours today, visit our website.